Welcome to our journey into the microscopic world. Here, hidden from the naked eye, lies a universe of wonder and complexity. Today, we'll explore everyday things under a microscope and discover the secrets within their intricate structures. Prepare to be amazed by the unseen world that surrounds us. Our journey begins with a closer look at our skin, the body's largest organ. This remarkable organ is composed of layers of specialized cells, each with a unique role. Under the microscope, these cells resemble tightly packed tiles forming a protective barrier. Notice how these cells fit together seamlessly, creating a shield against harmful bacteria and viruses. Look closely, and you can see the nucleus within each cell, the control center that governs its function. Some cells produce pigment, giving our skin its color, protecting us from UV radiation, while others detect touch, pressure, and temperature, allowing us to interact with our environment. This microscopic world highlights the complexity and beauty of our own bodies, revealing the intricate details that keep us protected and connected. Our next destination is the fascinating realm of bacteria, single-celled organisms that inhabit nearly every corner of our planet. These microorganisms are incredibly diverse and can be found in the most extreme environments, from the depths of the ocean to the icy poles. Under the microscope, these tiny organisms appear in various shapes, rods, spheres, and spirals. Each shape has its own unique characteristics and functions. Some bacteria are beneficial, playing vital roles in digestion and decomposition, helping to break down organic matter and recycle nutrients, while others can cause infections and diseases, posing significant challenges to human health. Observe the way these bacteria move, some gliding effortlessly across surfaces, others propelled by tiny, whip-like structures called flagella, which enable them to navigate their environments with precision. Their movements are often in response to chemical signals in their environment, a process known as chemotaxis. Understanding these microscopic organisms is key to appreciating the interconnectedness of all living things and the delicate balance of our ecosystems. Now let's turn our attention to the plant kingdom. Under the microscope, a leaf transforms into a network of interconnected cells. Observe the tiny pores called stomata that dot the leaf's surface. These pores allow carbon dioxide to enter the leaf for photosynthesis. Look closer, and you'll see the elongated cells, packed with green chloroplasts, the engines of photosynthesis. The veins that run through the leaf transport water and nutrients throughout the plant. The intricate design of a leaf showcases the elegance and efficiency of nature's solutions. Our journey now takes us to the beach, where we encounter a grain of sand. This tiny fragment, often overlooked, holds within it a world of wonder. Under the microscope, a grain of sand transforms into a dazzling array of colors, shapes, and textures. It's like peering into a miniature universe. Each grain tells a story, its composition reflecting its origins. From volcanic eruptions to riverbeds, the journey of sand is etched in its structure. Observe the sharp edges and irregular surfaces, evidence of the grain's long journey through wind and water. These features are like a diary of its travels. Some grains may contain tiny, shimmering particles of quartz or feldspar, minerals that add a sparkle to the sand, while others might reveal the intricate shells of microscopic creatures. These remnants of marine life add another layer of complexity. The diversity found within a single grain of sand is a testament to the vastness and complexity of our planet. Each grain is a tiny piece of Earth's history. Even the most commonplace objects can hold hidden wonders waiting to be discovered. The next time you walk on the beach, remember the hidden stories beneath your feet. Our final destination takes us into a single drop of water, a hidden world teeming with life. Under the microscope, this drop transforms into a vast, three-dimensional realm. Observe the tiny creatures darting and weaving through this watery universe. Single-celled organisms like amoebas extend their pseudopods to engulf their prey. These microscopic creatures play vital roles in the intricate web of life, shaping water quality and influencing ecosystems. Thank you for joining us on this microscopic adventure. We've uncovered the hidden wonders that surround us each day. Remember, there's an entire universe waiting to be discovered right beneath our noses. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing discoveries.